nude bathing. Nude bathing. Swimming costume must be worn at all. No nude bathing. Costume must be worn at all time. Ah, beautiful. But yeah, people are wearing not nudist beach. Sorry. Yeah. Keep your clothes.
Yeah.
You can take off your clothes if you want.
That's okay.
You can show your beautiful body to my followers. No kidding. But I heard maybe nudist beach is over there or other side. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
But
No, it's for sure it's not the other side because it's the town.
yeah.
Not in the town.
Not to the town side. Maybe it should be this side,
But
I think.
really far.
Yeah, it is. So, okay. Yeah, I can come here later.
Yeah, probably during like, you know, the sunset or during the morning, very early. Probably somebody can
Oh, somebody.
take care of the clothes.
Okay. Good enough. Beautiful.
But it's amazing, you know?
Amazing.
The beach, it's amazing.
Yeah. Nice. Yay! Coming. Join. Coming. Yay! No nude people.
No.
Naked. No naked.
Everybody
It was a big shame. We cannot find any naked people.
No. Everybody keep the clothes. Sorry for you guys. But we need
Sorry.
to try again another day.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see the naked baby.
Again and again.
Yeah.
You know? After Carigini, we are in East Coast in Byron Bay and we meet you again.
Yeah.
It's so cool. I'm so happy.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to meet you again, and I'm happy to meet you. Hey. Wow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Take care of you. Bye.
Yeah,
Enjoy
bye. Bye. Yeah.
I might be see you in the East Coast somewhere.
Yeah. Somewhere. Yeah. Bye.